there, investors. Have you ever wondered what's better? Growing your wealth steadily or ensuring a stable income for the future? That's exactly what SIP Systematic Investment Plan and SWP Systematic Withdrawal Plans are designed for. But do you know how they actually work? And most importantly, can they be used together for a solid financial future? Let's break it down. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance, especially for individual investors like you. So, before analyzing which one is the best or how to use it together, let us first understand what is an SIP. And SIP allows you to invest a fixed amount regularly into a mutual fund. The biggest advantage here is you don't need to time the market. Here's how it works. You invest a fixed amount every month. When markets are down, you get more units. When markets are up, you get fewer units. Over time, your cost averages out. This is called rupee cost averaging. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from the power of compounding, which Albert Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. But here's where many people go wrong. Number one is not increasing SIP amount over time. If your salary increases, your investment should too. Number two, stopping SIP during market crash. A market dip is actually an opportunity to buy at lower prices. So now we have a basic understanding of SIP. So let us talk about SWP, Systematic Withdrawal Plan. This is for those who need a regular income stream like retirees. Instead of withdrawing your entire investment, you can withdraw a fixed amount periodically while keeping the rest invested. So here's how it works. You choose a mutual fund and a fixed withdrawal amount. The fund sells some units to generate the cash you need. The remaining investment continues to grow. And guess what? SWPs are more tax efficient than fixed deposit. But beware of these common mistakes. Number one, withdrawing too much too soon. If you withdraw over 4 to 6% of your corpus annually, your funds may not last long. And number two, ignoring market condition. Selling more units in a market downturn can drain your investment faster. So, which one should you choose? SIP versus SWP. Which one is right for you? It depends on your financial goals. If you're building wealth, SIP is your best friend. If you need regular income, SWP is the best way to go. But if you want both growth and stability, why not combine them? Imagine this, your SIP investment today become your SWP withdrawal in the future. That's how smart financial planning works. But here's the catch. How much should you invest? When should you increase your SIP? How much should you withdraw via SWP? A certified financial planner can help you build a personalized investment strategy to grow your wealth without making costly mistakes. Want a free financial consultation with one of our certified financial planners? Click the link in the description below and get expert guidance today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart money tips. See you in the next video with more interesting financial insights like this. Thank you for watching.
Definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.